The world doesn't care if you break. It won't stop to cradle your wounds. You've been hit, a job lost in the night, a lover's silence like a blade, or a life crumbling under your fists. Strength isn't hiding from that storm. It's standing in it, letting it cut, and rising, bloodied, but alive. This is Stoic steel, not comfort, not hope, but power forged in your bones, for men who've tasted betrayal and choose to fight. Men, we don't get to pick our scars. A friend's knife in the dark, a dream shattered on cold stone, or days so heavy they choke your breath. Stoicism doesn't flinch. It stares back. Epictetus said, "You bear what comes or it buries you." 7 traits rise from this, not lessons, not promises, but weapons to wield when the world turns black. Before I burn you with these cold truths, hear this tale. A young guy, call him Peter, a name as ordinary as his life back then. He lived in a noisy city where lights and sounds never fade, where opportunity and ruin are a breath apart. He used to be full of fire, but then life punched him. Lost his job, lost his money, lost his sleep. He was trapped in an emotional whirlwind, no way out. Until an old man on a park bench amid pigeons looked at him and said, "You're not born strong, but you can build it." From there, Peter changed. He learned to control, not the world, but himself, and so will you. These are the 11 doors to that strength. Step through or stay weak forever. 1. Control the fall. The power of resilience. Have you ever fallen? Don't say no. I know you have. We've all lain flat on the ground, letting the comfort of failure wrap around us. But why don't you get up? Why do you let each fall drag you deeper instead of bouncing higher? Control isn't about not falling, but how you climb out of that pit. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power in your soul to endure anything if you choose to see it as a chance." Life will hit you over and over without mercy. But you're not a victim. You're a survivor, if you want to be. When it all shatters, don't scream. Don't beg for pity. Stand up. Wipe the blood from your face and ask, what do I learn from this wreckage? Every scar is a lesson. Every punch is a step. Real men don't dodge pain. They use it to forge themselves. Build this habit. Every day, face a small fear. A tough call. A truth you've avoided. Control how you respond, and you'll see you're not as fragile as before. 2. Control your mind. The voice in your head. Have you heard it? That venomous whisper in your skull telling you you're not good enough, not strong enough, not man enough. It strikes when you're weakest, like a predator. But here's the truth. You're not its slave. Epictetus said, "Men are disturbed not by things, but by the views they take of them." You don't control the wind, but you control the sail. Your mind's the same. When that voice roars, don't run. Don't pretend it's not there. Face it. Ask, are you real or just a shadow I've drawn? Then act. Do what it says you can't. Run farther. Work harder. Control it with action and watch it go quiet. Every day, take 5 minutes to challenge a dark thought. Write it down, rip it apart, move on. You're the master, not the servant. 3. Control the pain, the strength of gratitude. Life's a river, calm one moment, raging the next. When it sweeps away all you hold dear, what do? Curse it or learn to swim. Gratitude isn't a weak man's game, it's a strong man's weapon. Seneca said, "Nothing is lost if you still value what remains." You don't have to smile through pain, but you must find a spark, however small. Every night before sleep, write 3 things you're grateful for. No poetry needed. Maybe it's the warmth of a beer, a friend's laugh, or just that you're still breathing. Don't scoff. This is how you remind yourself that even when life breaks you, you've got something to grip. Control pain by not letting it define you. You're bigger than it. 4. Control your breath. Calm in the storm. When it all collapses, what's left? Your breath. The simplest thing, yet the mightiest. You don't need cash, don't need anyone, just air in your lungs. Stoics don't teach you to be a superhero, but to be a man. Control what you can, ignore what you can't. When rage flares, when worry chokes you, stop. Breathe deep, slow, through your nose. Exhale steady through your mouth. Do it 10 times. You'll feel your body lighten, your mind clear. This isn't magic, it's science. It's how you seize the reins when emotions run wild. Do this daily, 5 minutes, and you'll find you're no puppet of chaos. 5. Control refusal, the art of saying no. Ever burned out trying to please everyone? Agreeing to every demand, nodding to every request, only to wonder, what's left of me? Saying no isn't selfish, it's freedom. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Refuse what isn't yours to keep what truly is. Time, energy, soul, they're yours, not anyone else's." Next time someone asks too much, say, "No, I can't." No excuses, no apologies. Stand tall, look them in the eye, hold firm. You don't have to save the world, just save yourself. Build this habit. Each week, reject one thing not worth it. You'll grow stronger, not from denying others, but from keeping yourself. 6. Control the unsteady. Accept what you can't change. Life's a brutal game. You don't pick the cards, but you pick how to play. Some things you can't shift: death, loss, failure. Fighting them only drains you. Stoics teach, accept, don't surrender. When the worst strikes, don't roar at the sky. Sit, stare at it, say, "I can't change you, but I can outlast you." Write what you can control: actions, thoughts, reactions, and forget the rest. Control by letting go. You'll feel relief, not from winning, but from not caging yourself. 7. Control yourself. The power of reflection. Ever wondered who you are in the storm? Or just let emotions lead you like a chained dog? Reflection isn't for the weak, it's the blade of the strong. Epictetus said, "Test your thoughts, for they become your deeds." Each night, take 10 minutes to look back. What angered you? How did you react? Write it, no judgment. Then ask, next time, how will I do it differently? This is how you forge your mind, turning it from foe to ally. Control yourself, and nothing can shake you. 8. Control your body. Strength from action. Weak body, weak mind. You don't need to be a Spartan warrior 8, but you need to stand firm when life punches your face. Stoics knew controlling the body is the first step to controlling the soul. Walk 30 minutes daily. Lift weights. Run. Anything that gets your blood pumping, sweat dripping. When your body's strong, your mind hardens too. No excuses. You're not too busy for 20 minutes of yourself. Control your body, and you won't tremble before chaos. 9. Control your joy. The science of happiness. Joy doesn't fall from the sky. You forge it day by day, minute by minute. Seneca said, "True happiness is being ready for anything that comes." You don't control life, but you control how you stand in it. Each morning, find one small thing to cherish: sunlight, a meal, a quiet moment. Don't wait for miracles, make them. When down, act, go outside, work, talk to someone. Control joy by not letting it hinge on others. 10. Control the past, the magic of forgiveness. Tired of clutching old wounds? Forgiveness isn't weakness, it's supreme strength. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The best revenge is to not be like the one who hurt you." You don't forgive them, you forgive yourself. When painful memories rise, face them, then release. Say, "You no longer rule me." Forgiveness cuts the rope tying you to the past. Do this daily, bit by bit, and you'll taste real freedom. 11. Control the now. Live in the moment. How many days have you lost worrying about tomorrow or grieving yesterday? The present is all you've got. Epictetus said, "Only the now is yours. Don't let it slip." Control it, and you control your life. Stop, breathe, feel. Each day, take 5 minutes to just live. No phone, no wandering thoughts. When anxiety hits, ask, "Right now, am I okay?" The answer's always yes. Live in the now, and you're unstoppable. You've walked this path. 11 habits, not miracles, but swords you forge yourself. Life won't stop testing you, but now you've got weapons. Control. No one saves you, you save yourself. Rise, man. The world's waiting. If this fire's touched you, slam that subscribe button. Ring the bell, right below. I will control. Watch the last 2 videos, they'll burn you more. I don't do this for fun. I do it to make you the strongest in your own life. See you next time.